doesn't like a puff? We all love puffs. They're not the best for your natural hair and growth. But if you're just trying to get through a day or two, just trying to, extend wash day a little bit, this is your style. There's only a few things you're gonna need. Water, some type of moisturizing cream, gel, brush. That's all you'll need to get a sleek low. Oh, I lied. You'll need something to pull your hair back. This is like the tying part of a do-rag, and I buy like 5 or 6 of them, and then I just cut them off, and I have these, and these are perfect for puffs. Check that bad boy out. Check that bad boy out. Check that bad boy. Check that bad boy. Check that bad boy out. I'm just using setting powder, my skin tone setting powder. I'm just working it in a little bit. That is the final look. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Key, aka Natural Debutante, and I am back with another video. And in this video, we are going to be doing a sleek low puff. This is how I do a sleek low puff for day 5, day 6 hair. Okay, I lied, this is day 8 hair, and I still don't want to do my hair, so we're going to do a sleek low puff. But before we get started, if you're into natural hair and a little bit of beauty, then just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell as well so you don't miss any of our uploads. We upload every Tuesday and Friday. Tuesday and Friday, your girl's trying to hit 20,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so go ahead and subscribe, smash the subscribe button, and let's get started. So, this is a twist out that I did 8 days ago today. It'll be 8 days, yep. It's an 8-day-old twist out, and I don't want to do my hair right now, like I'm just not feeling it. So I'm going to do a low puff. I love puffs personally, and so you can do a high puff or a low puff. I personally just want to do a low puff, so I'm going to separate my hair really quickly, kind of where it was already separated. Okay, so there's only a few things you're gonna need. Water, some type of moisturizing cream, gel, brush. That's all you'll need to get a sleek low puff. Oh, I lied. You'll need something to pull your hair back. So this is what I use. This is like the tying part of a do-rag, and I buy like 5 or 6 of them, and then I just cut them off, and I have these, and these are perfect for puffs. So we're just gonna get into it. Who doesn't like a puff? We all love puffs. They're not the best for your natural hair and growth, but if you're just trying to get through a day or two, just trying to, extend wash day a little bit, this is your style. So I separated my hair where I think I'm gonna want my part. You don't have to have a part, I just want a part. So you just have to spray your hair down a little bit. You want your hair to be wet, like not super wet, just damp. Just damp. And it looks like my part is not strained, so that's excellent. So you just want to work the water into the section a little bit. Massage it in. You just want it to be able to be molded into what you want it to be, what you're going for, And I really focus on the part itself, because that's the part that really needs to be laid down. So the thing is with styles like this, you don't necessarily have to get all of your hair laid down. You just have to have the illusion that all of your hair underneath is like laid and slayed and perfectly combed out. You don't necessarily have to do it. So as you can see by me just like working it in, the water in, it's allowing me to kind of maneuver my hair and kind of put my puff where I'm going to want it to be, right? I feel like maybe I should do some like curlies out. That'd be cute. I'm going to use my favorite. I love this. This is the Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream. And I'm going to use a little bit of this, and I'm just going to work this into the section. This is a really quick hairstyle, so just FYI, you need to get in and get out. Get in and get out. I'm still not using any tools or anything. I'm just going to keep using my hands to kind of see where my puff's gonna be. As you can see, it's gonna be like that, so then I know exactly how much moisture I'm really gonna need, you know what I mean? At this point, I'm gonna just pull it back. I'm gonna put my hair around once in a ponytail holder so then I can kind of see exactly what's going on. And you just gotta keep working the moisture or the cream, whatever cream you decide to use is fine, into your hair. I think I want to leave these two out. I feel like that would be really cute if I like leave a little bit out. So I'm just gonna take a brush. So I'm gonna take it out because I kind of know what I'm doing now. And I'm just gonna kind of brush it in the direction that I wanted it to be in. I'm still not using any gel yet. So now I'm gonna take Wetline Extreme. I really like the new formula. I have a video comparing this old formula and the new one. I have a video comparing them for Wash and Go, and I really like the new one, but I haven't been using this one as much, so I wanted to make sure I use it up. I'll link that video in the description and in the cards so you can check that bad boy out. I just want to let everybody know that my arm strength is on, okay? So I'm just gonna put gel where I wanted it to be and then use my brush to brush my hair down. See how it's already laying down? Yes, baby. Baby, that Wetline Extreme, baby. Make sure you brush your entire forehead when you do this, okay? It's completely normal, you know, just get on in there. So you're gonna take this here and you're just gonna put it on top of your head, crisscross it in the back. It does not have to be super tight. It just looks something like this, if you can see that, hopefully. And then you're just gonna keep pulling your hair back. Like, you're just gonna keep tightening it, and by tightening it, this part of the do-rag will start to tighten on your hair, pulling it back. So you just want to keep pulling it back, but you want to make sure that it's going down. So you just can keep working with it like this. Ooh, perfect. So then, after you get it where you want it to be, just want to make sure all your hair is out. And if you want your puff to be bigger, you can totally have a bigger puff. That is good for me. And then just want to crisscross it as many times as you need, and then tuck it in under itself. So this is what the puff will look like. And I'm just separating the hair because I want it to be bigger. Okay, so now you're gonna take some more gel, and this is where you're gonna actually like lay it down, okay? So you take some gel and just work it into that section. So this part you can lay your baby hairs, you can do whatever you want to do with your puff, but you want to put something on top to get it to stay. So am I going to lay my baby hairs? Let's see. No, I'm not, because I don't really like to lay my baby hairs, so we'll not pretend. But I don't like to lay, as in I don't like them to be like all, I don't know. I like them to be sleek, but I don't like them to be like etched out and stuff. It's not really my thing. But I'm using a little bristle brush to kind of smooth out all of the hair. And I'm including my baby hairs. So I'm gonna let this sit while I finish the rest of my makeup, and then I will be right back to show you the final result. So I am back. I finished my makeup and I'm just gonna take this off. It was only sitting for like maybe 10 minutes. And this is the reveal. What do you think? Oh, there's a little part right here. See how that's like sitting up a little bit? That's because I didn't pull it tight enough right there. So I'm just going to use a bobby pin. So I'm just going to use a bobby pin and pull it and push it into the puff. So then you don't see the bobby pin and it laid down. Can you see that? Cute. Perfect. And I like these here. That's cute too. So I'm just going to take this pick and pick out my puff a little bit because I really do want it to be a little bit bigger. All right, so this is the final look, the big reveal, the low sleek puff that only took you a few minutes, a few minutes, a few minutes. Do you like? I love puffs. So this is a perfect as I was saying, I love puffs, so this is a perfect, cute little puff for me. I'm just gonna put on some earrings right quick. One of my aunties says that your outfit is not complete unless you have earrings on. So, in case she sees this video, let me just do that real quick. And then also, what you need to do is make sure, because my hair, my makeup had already been done, right? So, when I started brushing my entire forehead, you know, you get some of that makeup goes away. So you just want to take the butt of your beauty blender and kind of work it into that hairline. I'm just using setting powder, my skin tone setting powder. I'm just working it in a little bit. That is the final look. Quick, easy, quick and breezy tutorial, but I love it. It's perfect. Nice and summery, you know, get the hair off the back of your neck so you ain't sweating, okay? Because that will happen. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you are into natural hair or a little bit of beauty, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell, smash that like button, smash the like button like Jackie Aina says, just so that I know you like this type of content and I can make more content like this. And I will see you in the next one. Wake, meditate, and slay.